All right, guys, you're not gonna find a cleaner car than this. This is a 1978, I believe, Pontiac Grand Prix, 66,000 miles, completely and totally stock. AC car, no blemishes in the paint. I can't find any. You can eat off the interior of this car, the exterior of this car, and underneath it. Absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, 66,000 miles. Black and red color combo is ridiculous on this thing. Look at this. This interior is like brand new. And you will be able to see it on a car that has white interior. Pontiac easily has the cleanest interiors. This one also has a sunroof on the top side of it here. Very, 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 very nice car. Walking around this car, you can see again, paint is in immaculate condition. Don't see a whole bunch of squirrels. This was obviously garage kept car. This comes from a private collection of a buddy of mine who purchased this car actually at Meekum. So this is a really, 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 really nice example of a Pontiac Grand Prix. Very, 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 very nice. Can't wait to see who gets this car. We're gonna price it at $18,995, which I think is a hell of a deal on a turnkey classic.